Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. All right, today we are going to be doing a behind the scenes tour here on Grandeur of the Sea. So we're going to go, supposed to be checking out like the galley, the laundry room, the engine room, the bridge, some of the crew only areas here on board the ship. So we're going to head down to the shore excursions desk, meet down there, and let's get this tour started. Alright, so we're waiting for two other people to show up, but they give you a lanyard with your all-access pass. Tiffany's going to model that for us. Now they also give you an earpiece, and they say that because it's a little bit loud in some of the areas of the ship, so you have an earpiece so you can hear everything, hear the conversation and talking. And because you are going into the crew areas, you must wear a mask. So they also provided an N95 mask for you.
I had it on upside down.
Upside down. So, yep, all access pass, mask, and an earpiece. So now we're just waiting for the one other couple to show up, and we're going to get started.
There's a center over here, however, they use patient.
Everybody doing it?
They really struggle. They're not used to it.
Yeah.
So, it's a little bit weird. People listening, they have to go down.
Dancers doing right now? They're doing some training, side duty. Yeah, guys, but do they have other jobs as well?
No, really. It's not a side duty. But they need to assist together.
Keep the theater clean.
Yeah, we come for free. Good morning. Thank you. Welcome to the theater.
Awesome.
How are you feeling so far? We'll see how it goes later.
Oh,
yeah. So this is our theater. As you can see, different type of the shows. So let's say there might be a show that doesn't include a show from a company that created, and they decided that we can use our in this area we keep like our props because there's no other place to keep it. So we need to create correct puzzle for everything to be able to first, let's say, to use that prop, to use this prop and move it around while they run backstage using correct track. Like there's arrow here, so they need to know that they need to go through this way, not here, because here might be dangerous. And we have some part of our bearing and chain here. They have like other shows. So this is for it is a singer boy, and he doesn't. This costume, it has Velcro. We look here, all Velcro, and it doesn't, like, it looks like a costume. It doesn't. Other side of the stage. Door. Fly all around the stage during the show.
Yeah.
After every show where we use these costumes, it is all feathers.
Yeah, man.
It's impossible to find. And this is smaller dressing room where 4 girl dancers are presenting their costumes. In this area, drums for doesn't go very well. And stage left, we call.
Let's see you guys really enjoy the survey. Alright, so what we have here, this is our... Thank you. So, from here, as you see, they are separating by side. Face towel, shower, roof, stairs.
Washing machine capacity is 200 pounds. There is a pocket inside this machine containing the butter. Capacity. We have to ensure when we using this machine, we have to use the good capacity 200 pounds because we need 1,170 liters of water or around 420 gallons of water. And we have 21 different programs here. We always washing facility between white and dark color. Because when we wash it white, we're going to use the steam, hot water, and for dark color, we use the cool water. We have almost... Hello, hi! This is our dressing area. Here we have one dry cleaning machine and we have the wool pressing machine. Press the pants. In 1 hour at least we have to press 16 pieces of pants.
16?
Yeah, 1/6. And we have to ensure when we press the pants only one line on it.
Right.
Steam coming from the top.
You don't need eyes.
And the pan is ready to work.
Just like at home.
Yeah. All right. This jacket actually belong to hotel director. Let this strap on it.
Oh, I saw him.
Where you work close to the work area. So the laundry, they have the cabin pretty much all the way down close to the laundry. Therefore, we have our cabin on the one.
trophies. So this is called the 195.
As you know, you also in the US you have the 195. So what we have here, this is the emergency plan. All the crew members, we have a cabin. Depends the position you work, you may have a single share or you share a cabin with a similar department. For us, for sure, we share the cabin with the services, with the shop, health, and all that similar. In the big ship, we have the single share, but those small ship, unfortunately, we have to share. So actually, this is my neighborhood that I live at the end. And on deck, zero, twin deck, they have
Everybody gets their own room or
No.
no?
So in this type of ship, we share. So we have what we call the crew workers, and those are our crew members. They are representing. Senor, how are you? Good. Morning. And what we have here, this is part of the HR center team. They are in charge to take care of everything with regard to our.
So they do.
I go first to installation, and then I give you. All right, thank you so much. There you go. So what we have here is the simulator room. But what I'm gonna explain later on, we finish the solution area. We will be back to the garbage. Say hi. How are you? That's a crew manager. Hi. So now we're gonna do some shopping. This is our supermarket.
Anybody want to come inside?
Welcome to Alaska.
I'll go inside. It feels good in here.
I think you dropped your card.
The cooks used to wash and sanitize all those vegetable and fruits here, and then Nigel from Jamaica.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, man, respect.
Respect.
You have a nice store. Enjoy it too. I want to ship the rocking back. Yeah, enjoy the 10 new feet. Huh?
Watch yourself. All cool.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Here we go.
Oh, happy tonight, huh?
This is our beverage box. So we used to keep here the sodas, all kinds of sodas and beer. We have like 55 different kinds of beer, but most of them is from US. Yeah.
So for the area, you can check it out. You really kind of watch like you
Ladies on another side.
All right, and that concludes our behind the scenes all access ship tour. It was really, really cool. Now, I don't know how the audio is actually going to be on this video. They had us wearing, like I said, the earpieces. A lot of the talking was done through there. It was very noisy in a lot of the engine spaces and just a lot of crew noise pretty much throughout the whole thing. But
Yeah.
and of course, we were not allowed to film in the engineering spaces, and we were not allowed to do any filming on the bridge. They took that seriously. I mean, to the point before we even went into the engineering and then the bridge, we had to go through security. They run you through the metal detector. They take anything out of your pockets and hold on to it that they, feel could be unsafe. And then security escorts you for that whole part of that tour. So they don't even let you out of their sight, anything like that, because you're in secured areas of the ship. So I don't have any video of it, but we did get to go into the engine control room, and we did get to go up to the bridge, and then we could film everywhere else that we went. But like I said, hearing a lot of that stuff and what they were saying, a lot of it was done through the earpieces and through microphones because of the noise. But completely worth doing. Absolutely, if you get the opportunity to do the behind the scenes access tour, you want to learn about the environmental portion of the ship. We learned a lot just about what they do for the environment, their recycling. I think there's a lot of misinformation out in the public as to, when they say how dirty cruise ships are. We just saw a lot of stuff that they're not as bad as people think they are. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think they're near as dirty as people think, but that's just me. But what was your favorite part, baby?
The storage where they keep all the food and stuff.
Yeah, there was a lot of food. We got to go in there and go in the freezers, the refrigerators. It's really interesting how much food they bring on board. Like, all the ships carry extra food, especially during hurricane season, just because they know they could get stuck out for a couple extra days. So they always prepare for that, and they have provisions on board expecting to be out a couple of extra days just in case. Little details like that. A lot of stuff you don't know about because, you're enjoying your Bahama Mama up on the Lido deck, eating food in the buffets and everything like that. There's a lot going on behind the scenes that you just don't get to see.
Yeah.
And you have no idea that's going on back there. And we got to meet a lot of crew members.
Yeah, we did.
They were just happy to see us, happy to talk to guests and passengers. And we got really, really lucky. There was only a total of 4 of us even on the tour. So we got extra time with the crew, extra time with everybody, got to ask all the questions that we wanted. So highly recommend the behind the scenes tour. If you get a chance, definitely do it.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. All right, and that's going to be our video on this one. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. We're going to get back to having ship fun, and we'll catch up with you guys later.